Welcome back. Well, it was a hot one across the area today, and that heat is getting a little bit higher each and every day. And that humidity, well, it's there, and we get a heat index that's creeping upward with the temperatures as well. And it's only going to get hotter, I think, as the week wears on and we get into at least the first part of the weekend. So let's take a look at Power Doppler 3 here. And again, we're picking up on a few isolated showers, not seeing any rumbles of thunder across portions of St. Landry Parish from the Palmetto area down through Opelousas. Just a few sprinkles here, and then along Highway 190. This activity will diminish as we lose that daytime heating. The rest of Acadiana, pretty quiet, thank you. Again, a lot of haze in the area. Look outside, the skies are kind of almost milky white at this hour. A lot of African dust in the region. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Meanwhile, where there is an African dust, we're seeing a good scattering of showers and thunderstorms, a little bit of a disturbance in the eastern Gulf. The remnants of Tropical Storm Barry still producing pretty heavy rainfall across portions of South Texas and the lower Rio Grande. Meanwhile, we're being protected not only by the African dust, which kind of keeps the thunderstorms from developing at times. We also have this little ridge of high pressure, so that's why we've been high and dry for most of the day here. And we do have a little bit of a disturbance, an upper level low here northeast of Florida, and again a lower disturbance as you get into the Gulf of Mexico, but not a major concern at this point. More on that in just a bit. As we look at the tropics, we get out into the Pacific. They're on the letter F already. This is Hurricane Flossie moving away from shore. That is good news and bucking to become a major hurricane. There's the remnants of Barry. And then as we get into the northeastern Gulf of Mexico, just a little bit of an area of disturbed weather here. Nothing too big at this point. This will gradually slide eastward, possibly develop in the Atlantic. And the models are a little bit more aggressive than the National Hurricane Center right now. They're giving it about a 30% chance of development beyond the 2 to 3 day time frame. And again, we're in between thanks to all this African dust that's in the area. That dust, though, will gradually thin out as the week wears on. We get into the weekend, especially Sunday, Monday. We're going to be out of the dusty area, and there's a hint of an upper level low that'll be coming in that may enhance our rain chances once again. So rain chances at or below normal for the next several days, but then they're going to pick up as we head into Sunday and into next week. Now, tomorrow, the HRRR model indicating some storms late afternoon, early evening hours for portions of Acadiana. We could argue 30 to 40%, and that's what we're going to do right now. And then maybe even some storms at 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. Again, just a little bit of a frontal trough in the area. And then as we head into Thursday, we should see rain chances down to 20%. But temperatures will be the story. Upper 70s as we start the day, and then pushing into the mid 90s tomorrow afternoon. And that heat index getting up there, 102 to about 107. And this is the heat index forecast for tomorrow. And you can see the range anywhere between 101, 102 up to 107. A few spots across the region may reach 108. So that's getting close to heat advisory criteria. And I'm actually going a little bit hotter on my temperature forecast, but the dew points may come down. Why? Because we're going to start to see a more northerly component in our winds. Tonight, they're out of the west-southwest light, 76 your overnight low. Then for tomorrow, we'll get up to 94 for a high, so a few degrees hotter than today. The risk of that late afternoon, early evening shower or thunderstorm possible. Right now, 30, maybe 40% for tomorrow, 20% for Thursday. And again, going hotter as we have northerly winds Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so temperatures could head for the upper 90s, and even the euro wants to go near 100 as we get into Friday, Saturday, but we'll temper that. But we do know it's going to be a hot 4th of July, and then better rain chances returning next week with temperatures not quite so hot. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.